Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to poach eggs easily. Okay, this is my Gram's method. She used these little cake thing. They have like a bottom to it, but she doesn't use it. They look something like this right here, and they stick them in here, and it actually opens in and out. I just came home from school, so I'm pretty hungry. So I'm just gonna make some eggs. You will need a cup. Why? Is because you want the yolk not to be broken, so you have to crack them in here. Then you need vegetable spray, or any type of spray, oil spray. I have my water boiling right there. I'll move that over there in a minute. But before I do that, what I need to do is to oil this up, because this is going to be our form. Okay, I'm going to leave that aside so I can do the other one. I'm going to do 2 nice eggs. Each form for each one of them. Okay, and we use it upside down. Okay, because we want water to be in here. That's the secret. Okay, so you can hear my water boiling. I'm going to crack an egg in here. And remember, we're not supposed to break the yolk. Okay, so it's carefully done just like that. And the reason why I chose this here is that you can pour it in without breaking. So now my water's boiling. I set it up over here ahead of time. Okay, you drop your form in. And remember, I cook this in a pan. You have to cook this in a pan like this, because then it'll give you a room look. Drop that in there. And drop the eggs inside. Okay? It's the perfect way to cook. Now if you want 2, I'm going to show you 2 in a minute. 2 is even better. And it takes only a few minutes. Two perfect egg poached eggs. Drop that in there, and then drop it in here. Okay, just like that. And that one's already done already. Let me scoop that out. You get something like this to get it out, okay? Sorry, I had to go and look for it. I'm gonna mess that up now. Woo. Wait, let me pick something. Oh boy. That one's gonna be messed up. It's gonna be cooking too long. I didn't get organized today, did I? I'm gonna use this to pick it up. Arr. Where's the fork? Arr. That thing is getting too much there. That one's cooking too much there. But you get the idea. I'll just pick it with my finger. Now you scoop that out. And see? See that? Nice poached eggs. I'll show you in a minute. Let me get a plate. Okay, now You gotta pay attention. Right here. You see that redness right there? Once that turns color, you'll be able to get it out. See that? Once that turns color, now it's all set. Pick that up. And now you get your 2 perfect poached eggs. Ready? Woo-wee. I hope you can see in the camera. There you go. Ah! Crap. I tried to show in the camera and it fell. Sorry. Right there. Now if you do it really carefully. Oh, I didn't see it in the camera. You leave it for a little bit to let the steam dry. And then you have a perfect egg. I'm going to show you one more. Because I want 2 more. Just going to spray a little bit here. My form. I know I'm eating a lot today. Drop that in there. Let me crack 2 eggs. Don't worry about the oil. If you worry about things, lift it up. Get new stuff in. See it? Sorry. I don't know where my tongue is, so I'm working without it. Which I don't like. You see that boiled water? It actually helps you. Drop it in nicely, slowly, carefully. And let that cook. Okay. Hold it just like that. While it's there. Okay, now if you look right there, you know when it's done. Is when that thing forms white. Like this right here. But inside it's not. See that? Okay, so while it's doing that, I can probably get something to clip that up. You know what I can do since it's the last video, last clip. Last clip of the video. It's almost done now. See how nice and you look really close. I'll pan it in. This is when you know it's done. You see that white spot? That little red spot? When it turns white, just like that one's done. But once this is done, I'll tell you. Ooh, camera. Sorry. Okay, we're almost there. It's usually about 2 minutes. Okay, now if you know when you're almost there, you just pick this up. I know, I'm using a tool here. You pick that up to let go most of the stuff. You see that? Then you get something like this with holes in them so you can scoop that out. And look, I want this to be a little bit extra. And look, see that? If you want to look nice or something, just get that away. But the form is there. You see? Another one, nice one. And then this one here. Remember to let, because we're dealing with water. And look. See how nice that is? Ooh, not in camera. Sorry. Now we're all done with that, so I can push that size on the heat. But get a cookie sheet. Oh, I forgot the tip on that before I open this up. See that, the cookie sheet? I mean, not cookie sheet, but bake pans, because it's like sideways like this. You'll be able to fit a few. Believe it or not, you can fit 4. You can do 4 at the same time. Yup, we done it before. Today I just want a few. But that's what it looks like right here when it's done. I know, it's a mess. See that? Perfectly poached eggs. And just like the way people like it. You can actually, like, see how this right here? You can actually, like, my grandmother does it sometimes. She just move all the good ones out. Like if guest comes over, she'll move all the surrounding right here out. Just to make it look nice. I don't care because I eat it either way. I love eggs, so I eat it either way. But if you have guests and stuff, you can make it so it looks really nice. You can actually put 3 in there and 4 too. I've seen her done 4 all at once. And that's what it looks like. Now put your salt in there and put your salt and pepper on top of that. Ooh-wee. You are in good, yummy, yummy, yummy hands. But anyway, I hope that this is helpful to you. If you like poached eggs, this is the way to go. But anyway, I guess that's about it for now. And I'm going to take a screenshot so I can post this up. But that's what it looks like when it's all done. Perfectly round, or some of them is oval because the way I put them in. But there is a smaller form. I find smaller form is harder to work with. I don't know what it is. It does forms more round, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But poached eggs 2 at the same time, you'll be able to do something like that. But anyway, you see how nice and perfect they are? Like these right here. Oh, I love that part. But now you know how to do it. Leave it for a little bit so it can dry out. So the water will dry out because the steam will dry out. And then it'll leave you a nice, perfect poached egg just like that. You see it? Put that on your sandwiches or whatever, or bread or whatever. Woo-wee. Anyway, I hope that this is helpful to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I forgot. I didn't break it out for you guys. So I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on them because that's how I like it. Just a little salt and pepper. That's my salt. Okay. And I'm going to break it out for you guys. Look. Voila. See that? Isn't that nice? Same thing with this. Voila. See that? Oh, it's awesome. Look at this one. Woo-wee. Yummy, yummy, yum. Same thing with this one. You can actually pick up the whole thing without even worrying. See? I just broke it underneath because the fork. But look, you can literally pick them up this way because they're in like a ball shape. See? And then you can break them apart. See that? Anyway, I hope you like the bonus footage right here because now I'm going to eat it, but it is so awesome this way. I'm telling you, it is like the best poached egg, guaranteed poached eggs because it's in a form. And it tastes so good. And the tip on this, once you see that white film on there, when it's enclosed up, that's when you know it's done. Some people like it more than others. I like it like yolky like this. But If you like it even a little bit more, just leave it like few more, 30 seconds more or so. If you don't like it really milky, but I like it just like this right here. I mean, that's what they call poached eggs. But not boiled eggs. But that's the easiest way I found, or my grandmother does it. But anyway, I hope this bonus footage is useful to you, and you can see the surrounding and everything. And you can serve this with your bread or whatever, your sandwich, whatever. That tastes really good too. That's about it on the video.